a lot of video editing apps are becoming very expensive, and I'm sure you are tired of all those premium watermark that they used to mark on your video, or even all those locked premium features that you cannot use. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your video with your TikTok app. A lot of people think TikTok app is only meant for video posting, but there is a whole lot of features that I believe you are not using. Make sure you are following this page for videos like this, and save this video for later. You are definitely going to need it. Let's get into our TikTok app, upload a video and edit it perfectly. Click on TikTok app like this. So you click on the plus icon here to add a new video, normally the way you used to do it. Let me even add video from my gallery like this. Okay, let me just add these videos, this very one here. You can select multiple. Okay, maybe you have videos that you want to join. So but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just add these two. So once you add them like that, don't use auto cut, please use next. So those two videos that are added. So the next thing you do, normally if you want to post your video, what you do now is to click on next. You cancel this song. This place, they used to add their own song automatically. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here you cancel the automatic song that they will add for you. Okay, to start your editing, you click on this button, this very button. It will now take you to this interface here where you are going to do all your edits. Okay, so now let's start from the first icon you can see in this editing platform here. You can see this is edit. Okay, this is sound if you want to add the sound. Okay, then we have text here and so many of them like that. So and then the next one, effect, magic and all of that. So now let's just do a few things here so that you can go ahead and test the remaining features of it. You can even add captions too. You can see captions here. So now what I'll do, I want to first of all split this video at this point. Now if I want to split, once you tap on the video, these features will come. So you do what? You want to click on what? Split here. Okay, so what you do is tap on split. It has split the video into two. So it means you can adjust your video the way you want. Maybe this part you make a mistake, you can just remove it, or you make a mistake here, you can remove it. Or if there's a part you want to even delete, you click on this part again and split. Then you can just click on the one you don't want and press delete. Do you see that? So that is how you basically edit with CapCut. Now let's try another features, which is sound. You can add sound from here, either a voiceover or sound effect, just like so. Or you can also come to add effects. Let's do transition. If you click between your text, it will load the transition for you. Isn't that wonderful? Now let me put white flag transition. Yeah, let me put this white flag transition so that you can see. Then you mark. What will happen is this. See, you see that transition? Very nice, right? Now let's click on this video, and then you can do speed. Maybe you want your video to be fast or slow motion. Click on speed. If you want it slow, you move it backward. If you want it fast, you move it forward. So that is the work of this one. Then you can crop your video with it. You can animate. In fact, a whole lot of features that you can try out. Every features you feel CapCut has, you can do everything literally here on your TikTok app. So the last one I would like to show you briefly before I leave. Now you can see overlay. You can add another video as overlay the way you used to do in CapCut. If you are conversant with CapCut, you know what I'm talking. So you look at filters. You can give it your image, your video, a filter of your choice. Okay, look at this. Now it has filtered my video. It has changed my video. Then I'll mark. Do you see that? So and when you are done, you just click on this arrow to go back. That is the filter. Now if you want, maybe this thing I want to add caption. What I'll do, I'll click on caption. Just watch. Present the audio of my video. Look at it, has given us our caption very fast. Look at this. See the transition? See this effect? So that's added this. There is a whole lot you can do. Just try your best and look at these things. And if you learn anything from this video, do well to follow this page for more. I'll be showing you how you can do this type of edit also using Meta Video Editor. So if you want me to do that tutorial for you, comment Meta Video Editor under this video, and it will encourage me to do video like that, so that when you are on Meta, you can do the same thing you do here on TikTok.